so much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! And do you like donuts? Yeah, I do too, but I only eat donuts after I eat a nice big healthy meal. But today, you and I get to draw a donut. All right, let's first take this brown marker and draw a big circle. There we go, just like that. And let's draw a smaller circle on the inside. Now it looks like you can hold that donut, huh? Nom, nom, nom. But it doesn't look tasty without frosting, right? I know. I should probably take my pink marker and then draw some frosting right there. Whoa, now that looks tasty, right? I know, but we'll make it even tastier is sprinkles. So let me take this purple marker and make some sprinkles. There we go. Wow, pink frosting and purple sprinkles. Whoa, now that looks like a yummy donut. Whoa, if you like donuts and you love drawing with me and you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I think we should draw a panda together. Since pandas are black and white and the paper is white, I'm gonna grab a black marker and I'm gonna draw a circle for the head. Whoa, and then a circle for the body. Kind of like that, yeah. And then an arched line up there and another one, yeah, for the ears. And then a leg down here, which is a curved line. Ooh, and another leg down there. Ooh, and you can't forget about the arms. They're gonna go inside, like sideways U's. Whoa! And then we're gonna draw some eyes, which are black circles. Ooh, a cute nose and a smiley face. All right, now we get to color them in. Here we go. All right, there's one arm. Color that one in. Perfect. And then a leg, another leg. And you can't forget about the ears. Wow, if you like pandas and love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again, bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and do you like fruit? Yeah, I do too. One of my favorite fruits is an apple. Maybe you and I should draw an apple today. Wow, there's green apples, red apples, yellow apples, but today you and I are gonna draw a red apple. All right, so let's draw a curved line like this. Ooh, and another curve on that side. There we go. And then, since apples have stems and leaves, let's take the color green and then do a stem right up here. There we go. Maybe a little thicker, but then for the leaf, a couple curved lines like that, and then a line right in the middle. Whoa, doesn't that look like a tasty apple? I know, it does, but I'm gonna color in the apple now. I'm gonna make a little line like that. Yeah, so then it looks like a reflection. And then, time to color! Yum! Whoa, that was so much fun drawing and coloring an apple together. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever wanted to be an astronaut and go into outer space? Yeah, me too. Maybe you and I should draw a rocket ship together. Well, let's use the color purple. Yeah, rocket ships are how astronauts get into outer space. So let's draw a point right up top. Looks like the start of a triangle, right? And then these two lines go straight down. And if you connected right there and right there, which we won't, that would be a rectangle. Instead, we're gonna draw a circle for the porthole. All right, let's draw a really small rectangle down here. There we go. And then we need some fins. Yeah, a couple straight lines just like that. Whoa, this rocket looks fast, doesn't it? And then a straight line right there to make another rectangle. Ooh, some dots. Yeah, for some bolts, so it stays all connected. And then some flames. Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! Wasn't that so much fun? Wow! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! All right, see you again! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today you and I are gonna draw a dinosaur with plates on its back and spikes on its tail. Yeah, you guessed it, a Stegosaurus. All right, to draw a Stegosaurus, let's draw a curved line for its back, and then a curved line for its tail, just like that. And then let's go down and draw 4 legs, because Stegosauruses had 4 legs. And then a straight line for the body, 2 more legs to complete the 4, and then, some curved lines for the head. Whoa! Can't forget about the circle for the eye, and a little smiley face. Yeah, but what's it missing? Yeah, the plates. And every Stegosaurus had 17 or more plates. So, will you count 17 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Cool. All right. That was so much fun drawing the Stegosaurus with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you later, Red Stegosaurus. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And you know what we're drawing today? Yeah, a bulldozer. Yeah, I love bulldozers. They're so big and heavy, and they push with that front blade anything and everything out of its way. All right, let's use the color orange. A lot of pieces of construction vehicles, are the color orange. All right, so let's draw a line right here, a 90-degree angle. Whoa, and then another line, and down. Whoa, what does that look like? Yeah, looks like a backwards L. This is where the engine is, and that's where the operator sits. You need to give them a square for a window so then they can see. And then, does a bulldozer have wheels and tires or tracks? Yeah, tracks. So let's draw a very, very big oval. Wow, there we go. Yeah, and then we need to draw the blade. Whoa, kind of looks like a moon, doesn't it? And then we need to connect that just like that. And now that looks like a bulldozer, but you can't forget about the ripper. Whoa, cool. Well, if you love drawing with me and you want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you see me? Yeah. Do you see how I'm wearing glasses? Why don't we draw my glasses together? Yeah. All right. They're pretty hard to draw, but I think you got this. First, let's start with a long straight line. There we go. For the top. And then 2 bubbles, half circles. There we go. Perfect. And then you have to draw the arms. Yeah, that's what holds them on to your face, your ears. All right, there we go, a little hook. Perfect, and then one over here. Whoa, wow, don't those look good? Yeah, well, since they're my glasses, maybe we can color them in with orange. Woohoo! All right, there we go. Whoa, I love drawing and coloring, and I love my glasses. Whoa, well, this is the end of this video, and if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!